Hello and welcome to another intriguing project about exploration into the world of data and sentiment analysis, where Python meets Twitter to uncover the public sentiment around the topic Ethereum. I'm Utkarsh, and this project showcases the application of advanced analytics and the power of social media trends. The amount of data we produce every day is truly surprising. There are 147 zettabytes of data and counting created each day at our current pace. The project aims to leverage sentiment analysis, a natural language processing technique designed to determine whether data is positive, negative, or neutral, focusing on Twitter data to reveal public sentiment, trends, and perceptions towards Ethereum. The purpose of this project extends beyond merely gathering insights into public opinions about Ethereum. It seeks to comprehend the wider discourse on social media regarding cryptocurrency and yield actionable insights for marketing strategies, product developments, and enhance customer engagement in the cryptocurrency sector. Now moving forward to the project demonstration. The journey begins with the collection of over 1,100 tweets over a week using the Twitter REST API for the term Ethereum, mentioned in tweet text, hashtags, or any author handles or mentioned user handles. The parameters included a search for the extended tweet mode, which helped in getting the initial insights into locations and languages of tweets worldwide as well. The raw data, rich with potential insights, undergoes detailed cleaning and preprocessing to transform it into a useful and understandable format. I majorly used regex to process data and clean it for unnecessary terms, missing values, typos, and any other visible errors or symbols to improve the accuracy of the sentiment analysis. With the data prepared, let's delve into the heart of sentiment analysis. Employing natural language processing (NLP) techniques, I utilize TextBlob, a Python library, to evaluate the polarity of tweets, which quantifies sentiments on a scale from negative to positive. I decode the emotions embedded in tweets, revealing a complex part of public sentiment towards Ethereum. The analysis uncovers a mix of neutrality, positivity, and occasional negativity, painting a nuanced picture of public perception. Also got detailed insights about the type of topics, users, locations, and devices used to tweet. Visualizations like word clouds and distribution charts not only made the data more readable but also highlighted prevalent themes in the discourse around NFTs, cryptocurrency, and comparisons with Bitcoin. In conclusion of my analysis, it's fascinating to note the majority of these conversations originated from the United States, with users primarily engaging through Android devices and communicating in English. Despite Ethereum's strong base of loyal followers, a significant portion of the discourse remained neutral. Such insights not only deepen the understanding of public sentiment but also underscore the complex interplay between technology, policy, and user behavior on a global scale. It's been an incredible learning experience about diving into the tweets, analyzing sentiments, and unveiling the public discourse, which not only advanced my skills in Python and data analytics but has also opened a new perspective on how social media shapes our understanding of digital currencies. Also got a deep insight into the limitations of the Twitter API, which taught me innovative ways to query and collect data efficiently, significantly enhancing my problem-solving skills. The world of data is vast and full of untold stories waiting to be discovered. I hope this project has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore the vast possibilities that programming and data analytics offer in solving real-world challenges. If you found this exploration insightful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of data science. Your insights are invaluable to me, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on how sentiment analysis can impact other areas of finance and technology. Drop your ideas and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep coding.